It's double cleansing, and putting an oil on your skin is gonna make you more oily. What if I have a lot of breakouts? Should I still double cleanse my skin? The answer to it is definitely everything gets removed.
Yeah, that's good, no?
No! Because I was supposed to say how oil cleanser removes everything, and I want to do it with pen. Hi, I'm Piotr Lipinski and welcome to my channel. I think there's only one proper way to remove all the makeup, waterproof mascara, sunscreen from your face, so it's clean and ready for the next products to absorb and work a little bit better. And if you are still spending a lot of money for your serums, you're going to have an expensive treatment, but you still do not wash your skin properly, you are simply wasting your money. Honestly, this is an essential step for healthy looking skin. I know you might be very skeptical when I tell you to wash your face twice, and on top of that when I tell you to wash your face with oil or a balm, you are might not be very happy about that, but trust me, this is a game changer. This is gonna change your life, or at least your skin life, and it's worth the game. And don't worry, your skin is not gonna become more oily. Double cleansing means simply to wash your skin twice with two different type of cleansers. For the first cleanse, I'm using an oil-based cleanser, and it really helps to lift off all the excess sebum and oil-based grease. And after that, when everything is nicely melted, another ingredients called surfactants come into the game. And they really help to melt everything away and emulsify another ingredients, right? And those two together, oils and surfactants which emulsify the rest, are a game changer. And now when everything is nicely loosened up and your SPF 50 is not glued to your face anymore, you can simply wash it off and have a beautifully clean skin. To remove all of that melted grease from your face, I'm going for the second cleanse, and the second cleanse is like a proper deep clean based on your skincare type. Now I will show you how to properly double cleanse your skin. I'm gonna put some pen on my hand. This is obviously more waterproof than the makeup. For the heavy stuff, I'm gonna use deep cleansing oil from DHC. I fell in love with it. This is my first bottle, but I already know I'm gonna repurchase it all the time because it's so affordable, so amazing, and it does the job, which you're gonna see in a moment. So this is usually how you double cleanse your skin. You apply an oil cleanser on the dry skin. You just got home from work, you wanna remove your makeup, stop there and put on your dry skin an oil cleanser. This is going to melt everything away. After massaging it for around 20 seconds, add a little bit of water to emulsify the product, then it's gonna become like a luxurious milky silky consistency to it. After massaging it for 10 more seconds, you can easily wash it off. Afterwards, follow with your water-based cleanser, and this is the last step. Here are some questions I get asked the most about double cleansing, so let's start with the first one. Is double cleansing and putting an oil on your skin is gonna make you more oily? No, it's gonna be the opposite. Putting an oil on your skin definitely is not gonna make you more oily. It's actually gonna help you to reduce the sebum production, because the oil is gonna help you to remove the excess oil you already have on your skin. In this way, your skin is gonna be more clear and radiant, and your skin will not have to produce as much oil during the day as it would if your skin wasn't washed properly. When should I double cleanse my skin? And the answer to it is that you have to double cleanse your skin every evening before you go to bed. This is the key. This is going to transform and change your skin forever. You have to remove everything from the day. I also like to do it in the mornings when I have put something more heavy for the night time before. So let's say I've been putting like a very heavy moisturizer with some silicones in there, and I have a long day ahead of me. I would definitely do the double cleansing in the morning as well. I have a huge pores which are getting clogged super easily, so I love to double cleanse in the morning as well. And I have noticed since I'm doing it that my skin is less oily during the daytime, and it just looks more moisture in weird ways. So definitely for me, it's evening and morning time. But if you're not going anywhere that day, just simply wash off your skin with a gentle cleanser which has been made for your skin type. What if I have a lot of breakouts? Should I still double cleanse my skin? The answer to it is definitely yes. You should double cleanse your skin, especially when you're having breakouts, and especially when you're having acne-prone skin. When you're having a lot of breakouts or acne-prone skin, I guess you're using a lot of products which unfortunately are very drying, and when you double cleanse your skin with an oil or a balm cleanser, you actually give a lot of moisture to your skin, and this is the best and gentle way to remove the excess sebum from your skin so your skin doesn't have to overproduce it. And double cleansing is a great idea to help your pores to become more clear. And when your pores become more clear and a little bit less visible, you're gonna become having less breakouts. Can I use the oils which I already have in my kitchen to remove everything from my face? The answer to it is definitely not, which means when you apply this coconut, let's say when you apply this coconut oil, it's really hard to not apply coconut oil, but if you by any chance have ever applied it on your skin and try to like rinse it off with water, it's definitely not gonna go away anywhere. So I would always recommend to buy only well-formulated oils you can find in the shop and use that instead. The answer to it is why you should invest in a properly nicely formulated oil or a balm cleanser is that they have a very small molecules of oils in them. There's a lot of emulsifiers and a lot of surfactants which helps to make your oil more milky after adding some water on your skin. In this way you can easily wash it off and there will be almost nothing left, which really helps your pores not to get clogged. Does double cleansing consume a lot of time? It might seem like it really takes a lot of time, but the really honest answer to it, it's not. Listen how easy it is. You only apply oil, massage it on for like half a minute, wash it off, everything is already removed and melted away. Then you put your second cleanser, massage it for like 5 seconds, and you are ready to go. Imagine if you had to do the same job only with your pore gel cleanser, which probably is a lot to expect from only one cleanser, which is, let's say, gel cleanser. It would have to do an amazing job to remove all of that in one cleanse. It's simply almost impossible. Should I use balm or oil cleansers? And now the answer to it is very personal. Whatever you find enjoying better. I love myself the oil cleanser I'm using now, the one I showed you in the video from DHC. It's the best oil cleanser I have ever tried. Why? It is because it emulsifies with water within seconds. Simply adding the water makes it more milky, and I love it that after I wash it off, I don't feel any oily residue on my skin. So that's the effect I'm looking for in an oil cleansers. There's also a lot of balms on the market I've been enjoying using. For example, the one from Drunk Elephant or the one from Pharmacy. Those balms were amazing. They had very similar effect to the oil I'm using now. Again, it's simply emulsified with water. They were very lightweight. I did not feel any oily residue on my skin. In my opinion, the balms usually are more messy to use because when you apply it on your skin, you have to spend few seconds to make them melt on your skin, and this can be a little bit messy sometimes because some of them are a little bit chunky and it can simply just drop on your sink or on your clothes, so it's not that clean to use. That's why I prefer an oil cleanser in a pump. And the one I've been using now, it's so clean. There's no residue around the bottle. It's really not messy, it's not leaking. It's really doing an amazing job for me. And now again, personal choice. Do you like to use the cloth or you just like to wash off your cleanser? I love to wash it off. That's why the heavy oils which you have to remove with a cloth are definitely not for me. Alright guys, let's just wrap up everything and talk about the benefits of using an oil-based cleanser. They are a wonderful idea and the most effective idea to remove all the leftovers from the day from your skin. They make your skin more smooth, more moistured, and it can really help your skin to balance out the sebum production, which is gonna make you less oily and your pores are not gonna get clogged as easily as they would get clogged if you didn't wash your face properly. I hope you're gonna start double cleansing your skin. Honestly, the cleanser from DHC I bought from Amazon is the best oil cleanser I have ever tried, and it's super affordable and it's not gonna harm you to try it. Go for it. There's no point of spending a lot of money for your first cleanse. I would really love to know what are you using to double cleanse your skin right now and what are your favorite products to do so. If you've really enjoyed this video, I would honestly appreciate it so much if you can subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.